Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn Francias means French. Yeah. So first we're going to learn salutations. Salutations. Just wait a minute. I'll just remove this and just just add my text over here because my handwriting in this note comes very good. You know, the main problem. Not this big. Yeah. So first, which we are going to learn is going to be salut, salut, which means hello, hello. Okay. And then we are going to learn bonjour. Bonjour. Okay? Which means good morning. Okay? And then we are going to learn if you're going to ask to an adult what you're going to say. If you want to say them what's your name, we are going to say so we are going to say comment-vous, appelez-vous. What we are going to say? Comment-vous, appelez-vous, which means what is your name? Name. Adult. Okay? And then we are going to say, if you're telling to your friend, you are going to say comment tu t'appelles. Comment tu t'appelles. Okay. So it will say comment tu ta. Just wait. Ta. Tu t'appelles. Okay. And then we are going to learn, if you want to say how are you to adults, you're going to say comment allez-vous. What? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Okay. And then we're going to learn, if you want to say to a friend, you're going to say comment ça va? Comment ça va? Okay? In here there's like a dot thing. I can't just tell it, but it's like a dot thing. Okay, and then we're going to learn. Just wait. Oh, what this happened? Why does this happen again? Oh God! Goodness gracious me! Why does this happen every time? Sorry. Yeah, and then we are going to learn if if you want to say see you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow, we will say Adiman. Adiman. Okay? Which means see you tomorrow. And then we're going to learn if you want to say a boy, you're going to say Un Garsan. Un Garsan. Okay? And I'm going to in the description I'm going to send you the link of the this rhyme for the body parts. It's a baby's rhyme for in French, so you can learn for the body parts. Okay, and if you want to say sorry, so you can say désolé. I'll just sell it désolé and okay, that means sorry. And then if you want to say good afternoon, you are gonna say bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. In this, après means after and midi means middle. Okay, I just oh goodness gracious me. Okay, it's fine. And then we're going to learn if someone gives you, so for thanks you're going to say merci. Merci means thanks a lot. Merci beaucoup. Beaucoup. Okay, now if you go to France, sorry, if you go to France, if someone gives you flowers, you're gonna say merci beaucoup. Don't say thank you over there, okay? And if you want to say goodbye, if you're going, so you're gonna say revoir, okay? And if you're gonna say good evening, you're gonna say bonsoir, okay? And if I told you bonjour, if you're going to, and you're going to say have a good day, you're going to say bon, just wait, yeah, just bonjour me, okay? And then if you want to say madam, you're going to say madame. Madam. Okay? It is pronounced like English only. Like it's written like this, you see? So that's it for today, but a surprise and a announcement. The surprise is I have got 60 subscribers on my channel. So much thank you and support from you. And the announcement is that we are having a Q&A, question and answers. So in the Q&A, you can ask any question if you want related to my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye 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 bye.